In the last video, we mentioned that we'd made some lee cloths. As we want to start to sail a little bit further, we're going to need to sail through the night, and that means getting somewhere comfortable to sleep on the boat. The best place to sleep when the boat is moving is roughly in the middle, and for that we're going to need some lee cloth to stop us falling out of bed. Christine got herself some material, and here she's going through the process of making some lee cloths. She's worked round the material and folded the edges over so that we've got no open seam, and then the top one is sewn slightly wider so that we can pass a rope through, and this rope will be used to secure the lee cloth in place when we're sleeping. The bottom of the lee cloth on our boat is going to be screwed into the bed base, and then we can hide the whole lot away when it's not in use. The machine is run backwards and forwards over the starts to make everything stronger, and then the edges are just sewn straight down.
We're on, needle is 100/16, thread is polyester, we've got a zigzag foot, width 2, length 3, and we're on a tension of 5.
And while she had the machine out, she made a winch handle holder. So we've never had anywhere to store our winch handles, so Christine made this holder, which is secured in place with 3M sticky pads. Just starting to secure our lee cloths in now. So we've been and bought some little screws, some stainless steel screws, and we bought some large nylon washers so that we can kind of stop the material getting ripped. So Christine's just putting the first one in now. We're pretty much going to use this edge here. I'm going to run along here. Just move the drill. It's probably tight enough. So it'll sit like that, and it'll be screwed in along this bit. And then we can just pull the side up with some small fastenings we're going to put in here shortly. So Christine's just checking out if the lee cloths are going to work, and I think they are. Probably just need to tighten up the cord a little bit more. But that looks pretty comfy.
Fine.
You're certainly not going to fall out of bed.
No, it's solid.
Yeah, it just needs tightening up, that's all.
Yeah.
And then we've bolted actually through here. We've gone through the bulkhead. And we've done the same this side. We've gone through into this little cabinet, and as you can see, we just put some washers on the back and some little can't quite sure. So what sort of nuts are they? Dome nuts, aren't they? Yeah, some dome nuts, so it just ties in, because obviously you put your hand in here a lot. So we just wanted to make sure that you didn't scratch your hand doing that. And then what we're actually thinking of doing is dropping the back. So let's just see if we can do that. See if we've got enough space. Just hold on to that for me a sec, because I've got the camera. If I put that. Just put that up there for me. Okay, drop that back. I actually think that'll probably be more comfortable, because then you're a bit more. Yeah, it's better, isn't it?
Yeah.
And you've got a bit more spacey if you. Yeah, it just needs tightening up. Well, we might do some sort of quick release type things on them, but we're not quite sure yet.
Some carabiners. Yeah,
well, that definitely ain't coming out of there. So that's it. We repeat the process on the other side, and then that's it.